During the troubleshooting and root cause analysis of process problems, it is important to interpret the alarms properly. In this brief video, I will show you how to interpret process alarms. This is a typical alarm log in Siemens PCS7 DCS in the WinCC HMI. The first three rows I will explain, and that will give you a complete idea of how these alarms work. The specific alarm in the machine, that is of this speed sensor, has appeared at this specific time. If you look at the status, it has been marked as C. Well, it is the incoming alarm. The incoming alarm means that the specific alarm has been triggered at this time. The speed switch of the motor has disappeared. It has gone, it is missing. This is why this alarm is triggered. After a few seconds at this specific time, the operator has acknowledged the alarm. This is why the status has been marked as QS. So the second row shows the acknowledged alarm. This is the acknowledgement of the alarm by the process operator. And the third row, which is the green one, it shows that the alarm has vanished. The alarm does not exist anymore. In other words, it can also be called as an outgoing alarm. And it has been marked as G in the Siemens PCS7 DCS WinCC SCADA. This is the repetition of the exact alarm over the period of few hours. So that can give you the idea of how the alarms work in WinCC or PCS7 DCS. Apart from the PCS7 alarm log, I also have a SIMATIC HMI alarm log. As you can see, it also has that format. At the specific time, 11:11:22 seconds, thrust bearing temperature wire open, this specific alarm has appeared. It is an incoming alarm, as I said previously. The incoming alarm means the alarm is active, it is being triggered, and the fault is still there. After few seconds, the alarm has vanished, the alarm has disappeared, and you can say that the fault has disappeared and it is now normal scenario. So this is why after the incoming alarm I word, O has been written, and O means outgoing alarm. The alarm has been vanished. And the third row says that the alarm has been acknowledged by the operator. This is why A has been written. This is how the alarms can be interpreted in the PLC, HMI and SCADA. This one is typical to the Siemens TP700 comfort panel, SIMATIC HMI series, and the previous one was typical to WinCC HMI of the PCS7 DCS. So this was specific to the Siemens PCS7 DCS and Siemens S7 PLCs and SIMATIC HMIs, but this concept can be generalized to any other HMI in one way or another. Once you get the idea of how to interpret alarms in Siemens DCS and SIMATIC HMI, you can generalize and extend that concept to any other DCS and any other HMI series. So that was a brief video about the interpretation of alarms in PLCs and HMI. If you have any queries about the DCS, PLCs and SCADA, you can ask me in the comment section. See you next time. Bye for now.